No mercy for you, no worries for you. That Game of Thrones, go Cersei on you. I flipped the script, I roll the dice. Don't fall asleep, cause I'm working nights. Hey, you tryna shut me out, it's getting blatant. Hey, I come and see you now, no hesitation. Yeah, I'm really, really tired of being patient. Hey, if you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it. Take it. If you won't give it to me, I'ma take it.
सुबह 5 बजे की ठंड और ज़ीरो विजिबिलिटी में हमने शुरू करी अपनी ट्रिप टू द लैंड ऑफ महाराजास। हरे भरे सरसों के खेतों से जो बैरन लैंड्स का ड्रास्टिक ट्रांजिशन था वो सरप्राइजिंगली वेरी प्लेजेंट एंड डिफरेंट। रास्ते में कैमल्स भी दिखने लग गए। विलेज विमेन वो वेयरिंग ब्राइट कलर्ड क्लोथिंग, कंप्लीटली कॉन्ट्रास्टिंग द ड्राई टेरेन। अगली सुबह हमने स्टार्ट किया एक्सप्लोर करना द सिटी ऑफ बीकानेर। हमारी पहली डेस्टिनेशन वॉज जूनागढ़ फोर्ट। ये फोर्ट 600 साल पुराना है और इसको बनाने में कम से कम 350 साल लगे बाय 16 डिफरेंट राजाज ऑफ द सेम डायनेस्टी। ये बहुत ही सुंदर फोर्ट है एंड इफ़ यू आर समबडी हु लव्स ग्रेट आर्किटेक्चर एंड गुड स्टोरीज देन दिस इज़ डेफिनेटली द प्लेस फॉर यू। एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी मुझे भी पता चली व्हाइल आई वाज हियर। जो राजा निर्मल सिंह जी थे, उनके खुद के परिवार वालों ने उनको एक बेड से बांध कर मार दिया था। तो इसके बाद से सारे राजाओं ने एक चीज़ शुरू करी, वो छोटे बेड्स में सोने लग गए जिनमें उनके पैर बाहर लटके रहते थे, जिससे कि अगर कभी उनको कोई बात दे और उनमें हमला करने की कोशिश करे तो वो उठकर भागकर अपनी जान बचा सकें। इससे मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि राजाओं की लाइफ काफ़ी डिफ़िकल्ट थी। Right outside the Junagadh fort is a museum which shows the impact of Western culture on the city of Bikaner. फोर्ट के प्रेमिसेस में ही एक छोटा सा प्यारा सा कैफ़े है जहाँ से फोर्ट का बहुत अच्छा व्यू दिखता है। फोर्ट के बाद लगी थी हमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा भूख एंड बीकानेर फेमस है फूड के लिए। तो उसके बाद हम निकले टू द लोकल मार्केट ऑफ बीकानेर टू एक्सप्लोर द डेलिकेसीज ऑफ द सिटी।
जय श्री राम।
जलेबी अच्छी है। मोदी पार्क। Hi guys, so as you know we're in the beautiful city of Bikaner right now, and in the morning we explored a more city area which was very crowded but still very beautiful, and we got to eat a lot of delicious foods of Bikaner. But right now we're in a more peaceful place. The fort that you see right behind me is the Lakshmi Niwas Palace, which is converted into a heritage hotel. And there's also the Lalgarh Fort, which is just at the back side. So you can always choose to stay at this place if you want a luxurious stay. But even if you're not staying here, you can always choose to come here and eat. There's a restaurant and bar over here, which looks very beautiful, but I will only be able to give you the reviews after eating the food. But for now we're just exploring the palace, and we are in this beautiful garden that's just in front of the palace, and it's very peaceful and nice. And after a very busy morning, we're having a little chill time here and we're really enjoying.
Food was really good. I won't say it was exceptional, but the whole ambience, the music, the atmosphere added up together and made it a very good experience. After the dinner, we explored the fort a little bit more, and then we headed to our homestay. I think Malai Ghevar is something I would really recommend you to try while you're in Bikaner. It was really fresh. Another very beautiful location in Bikaner is the Gajner Palace. This is about 35 kilometers from the main city, and the drive itself is very nice. Once you enter the palace, you feel so peaceful. It's not very crowded either, and you can sit by the lake and enjoy the view. There are hundreds of migratory birds during the winter time, and it's very peaceful. The last place that I visited in Bikaner was the Karni Mata temple, which was about 30 kilometers away from the city. One interesting fact about this temple is that it has 20,000 rats, and it is also called the Temple of Rats. I found that it was a very interesting and different experience for me, and people from far away places come here to pay their respects. Bikaner is an interesting city. At one point you will find yourself caught between the crowd, in between the hustle and bustle of the city. But at the next you will find yourself in these peaceful areas with wide roads and no traffic. It is indeed a very beautiful town with a historic touch.